Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Pubmed by opening the me.sh database because controlled vocabulary returns cleaner results. Type the concept you want, then scan the me.sh entry for the preferred term and scope note so you know what it covers. Once done, click Add to Search Builder to queue that standardized term. This first step prevents mismatches between lay keywords and index terms, and it anchors your entire strategy in the vocabulary Pubmed uses for consistent retrieval. Next, refine the me.sh term by selecting relevant qualifiers. For example, choose diagnosis or therapy to focus results. Make sure to explode the term when you want narrower concepts included. Conversely, add major if the concept must be central to the article. Then combine me.sh lines in the search builder using or not to build precise Boolean logic. This layered control reduces noise and captures studies that are truly about your topic, rather than mentioning it peripherally. Finally, run the compose search and immediately apply filters like publication date, article type, or humans to narrow results. Make sure to save the query or set an alert so new records match automatically, and export citations when needed for reference managers. If you get no results, troubleshoot by broadening to a parent me.sh term, removing strict qualifiers, or checking entry synonyms. Those adjustments usually reveal indexed articles you initially missed, because me.sh indexing can vary across records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.